Hey friends, Jaime Lopez here. Glad you're back for the next step. In the previous steps, we built a simple HR policies agent and made it smarter with just enough metadata. Today, we are moving from answering questions to creating and maintaining documents using the agent mode in Microsoft Word. Here's exactly what you'll get in this video. We'll look at the difference between Standard Copilot mode or chat mode and the more powerful agent mode in Word. Then I'll show you how to generate content with manual grounding, explicitly telling Copilot which documents to use from our improved HR library. You'll see a realistic use case, creating a clear, personalized summary for a pregnant employee so she understands what she can request until her maternity leave. By the end, you'll have a practical, low-effort way to create consistent and up-to-date company documents without producers burning out. In Microsoft Word, you basically have two ways Copilot works. The standard mode, perfect for quick summaries, rewriting text, or getting ideas. You ask, it suggests, and you decide what to keep. You stay in full control. Agent mode. This is what we're focusing on today. Copilot acts more like a collaborative partner. It can directly edit the document, reason step by step, make changes, and iterate with you while showing its reasoning. In 2026, this mode feels much more natural for building structured content. The real power comes when we combine agent mode with manual grounding, explicitly telling Copilot exactly which documents to use. This helps avoid guessing or mixing all information and gives much more precise, trustworthy results. Imagine an employee named Laura tells us she's pregnant and wants a clear, supportive summary of what she can request until her maternity leave. Things like time off for medical appointments, absence permissions, flexible hours, etc. Instead of writing it from scratch or risking outdated info, we'll use Copilot in agent mode with manual grounding on our HR policies library, the one we cleaned up in the previous step with metadata. I open a new Word document or start from a simple template, go to Copilot, ensure we are in agent mode, and paste the following prompt. I want you to generate a new document as a summary with the most relevant points for a pregnant woman to understand what are the things she can request until the maternity leave. Use these documents to obtain the current company policies information. Watch what happens. Copilot reads the three specified documents, grounds itself in them, pulls only the relevant and current points, and starts drafting a warm, easy-to-read summary directly in the document. It creates proper headings, uses supportive language, and keeps everything consistent with company tone. Then, if needed, the draft can be refined directly in agent mode, for example, prompting make the section about medical appointments more concise and add the contact person in HR. Copilot will iterate live, editing the document while showing its reasoning. The whole process takes just a few minutes. The result? A professional, personalized, and accurate guide that Laura can understand easily, all grounded in our official, up-to-date policies. This approach is gold for producers. You no longer rewrite the same policy explanations over and over. You maintain the core policy documents once with good metadata, and Copilot does the heavy lifting of summarizing and personalizing them for each situation. You can also use similar manual grounding prompts to fill standard templates with current policy data, create customized guides from multiple source files, or generate consistent documents like onboarding checklist or leave request explanations. This is still a quiet, incremental step. Start small, pick one recurring document type, pregnancy-related guides, return to work plans, or flexible work requests. Create a good prompt template and point the word agent at your files using manual rounding. Over time, you'll get much more consistency across the company and reduce the repetitive work on content owners. Remember the bigger picture. We're not building the perfect system overnight. We're making small improvements so that when the AI natives join us in a few years, our tools already feel fast, reliable, and natural to them. Because it's not an employee, it's a customer, and we are the shop. If you try this Copilot in Word in Agentic Mode this week, even with one simple prompt like the one I showed, drop a comment and tell me. Hit like if this was useful, subscribe for next steps, and check the previous videos if you are just joining the series. Thanks for watching. I'm Jaime Lopez. Small steps, big difference. See you next time.